Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in my last video on this particular pair, I think what I was showing you guys was the head and shoulders part, and also how drawing trend lines can also help you to determine turning point in the market, reversal point in the market. So I can remember clearly that we had a double bottom at this point on the 4 hourly time frame, and I showed you guys a trade I took and made some massive profits. See, and see the market has been buying since then. Okay, on the 4 hourly time frame, we actually got this pattern right here. Where is that? I wrote line 2. Okay, we had a double bottom here, these two bottoms at this point. Yeah, and we also had another double bottom on the 1 hourly time frame, which I used in entering my trade. Yes, that's what I used in entering my trade. That let me just quickly. Okay, on the 1 hourly time frame, we had a double bottom also. Where is it? Okay, yeah, this is the double bottom on the 1 hourly time frame, which I also found this one right here. So I entered my trade at this point, I think so, and I took this trade and made some massive profit. Okay, since then the market has been buying and creating higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows. All right, and you can see clearly that the market has gotten to a certain level here at those points. Now, looking at this structure of this market, looking at what the market is doing from this point, you can see the number of candlesticks we have from this point getting to this level to here down here is far more than the number of candlesticks we have between this level here, this point here to this point. This goes to show that the market doesn't have enough energy to continue buying. Each time it tries to buy, it gets rejected. Each time it tries to buy, gets to a certain level, it gets rejected. So now the market wants to sell. Now, on this particular time frame, it might be a bit difficult for you to actually determine what the market wants to do or where to actually enter the trade, except you bring in the concept of resistance and support. Looking at what's happening on the chart right now, you can easily put a horizontal line right here where the market has been buying from and wait to see the market closing below it, breaking below and also closing below this line before you think of entering a trade. All right, so if you go to the 5 minutes time frame, the chart might be so messy and you'll be so confused on what to actually do at this point. Okay, so but like I said, on the 1 hourly time frame, all you want to see the market has nicely closed below here, below this line. You have to there must be a break below the line before you can think of a break and close before this below this horizontal line before you think of finding an opportunity to enter a sell trade. All right, so to confirm that the market will actually sell is for you to actually go to a higher time frame. If you go to the 4 hourly time frame, the structure isn't still too clear. All you see is a ranging market. But when we go to the daily time frame, guys, there is a magic there. This thing I've been preaching to you guys on this channel, the same strategy I've been sharing in a couple of videos now, is the same thing that is right here. The same thing is very visible right here on the chart, which is only left for you to use to make profit. You remember I told you guys how to find these opportunities. I told you once you open your chart every day, just load up your all the pairs on your quotes, then go to the daily time frame, keep checking which one has that structure. Which structure I'm talking about? I'm talking about this particular structure here. What we want to see here, you see, this is the previous 2 days candlestick. It closed bullish, but it left a wick at the top. Then yesterday's candlestick still closed bearish, but there's a wick, meaning it created a higher high at this point, and but the body closed down here, still within the body of this previous candle. So there was a sweep at this point, indicating that today's candlestick, today's market for this particular pair will be selling. So what we would do is to immediately take a horizontal line and put at this point, just like this, guys, and you see what happened. Market did what? You see what happened here. Today's market opened at this level here. Let me put a horizontal line there too, because I want us to see something, because if you do not understand this thing, you will never be able to use it, all right, to trade. So let's just go to the 15 minutes time frame. You see that the first black candle, black line, it marks where the market opened, where the previous day's candlestick closed, and where the current day opened, and if we trace here, I think we would find it using the crossing tool. Today is 7th, and I think it must have been somewhere. Is it today? Is it 7th? I think yes, today it should be 7th. 7th January. I think the market opened about somewhere around here. Let me just see this daily candlestick. Okay, yes, I can see. So 15 minutes time frame. Let me see the hourly time frame first. From the hourly time frame, we can see that today's market started around here. Okay, then and it started buying. You see, started with buys, then sold, then bought again. Now it's selling. All right, so now on the 15 minutes time frame, you see that, oh sorry, that's the 30, the 15 minutes time frame. What we want to see here, you can see that the market actually bought. It bought to this zone first. It bought to this trend line. Now if you look at this thing on this 15 minutes time frame, if you just open your chart, you might be confused on what the market is actually doing. So it is always advisable to go to a higher time frame, like the daily time frame. You might see a structure that will actually make you understand what the market is doing, because right now if you open the chart on the 15 minutes time frame, then you see this, you get confused, and you go to the daily time frame, you will understand that what the market is doing is looking for ways to sell. The market is trying to make some sales. That's what the market is looking for. It's looking for opportunity to sell. Then what you have to do is just to wait for that opportunity to happen. All you have to do is just to wait for that opportunity to happen. Then how will you know the opportunity has happened? Now this still on that same daily time frame. You go down, you just look at it and see that there is a low here. There is a low at this point. Maybe I should bring this line here to where we have this low, the previous day's low. At that point, why you are marking this is because of the nature of the market on the lower time frame. So if you put it there and wait for market to close below this low here, then you can easily understand that the market is now ready to sell. All right, so like you can see now, the market is not still ready on the 15 minutes time frame. The market has not even closed below this line yet. It's coming back to do maybe a retest, because this looks like a head and shoulders pattern right here. Excuse me. All right, so this looks like a head and shoulders pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this looks like the right shoulder, and this is the neckline. So there's a chance the market might want to just come to retest this neckline. After retesting this neckline, it's going to sell massively to the downside. All right, so that is very, very possible. All right, so but you can just enter a trade at this point, put your stop loss just above this little high here, then wait to see what the market will do. It can sell from this zone below. But if you want to be on a very safe side or a safer side, then you want to see the market going below this black line, which we have as support right there. You see this zone here. If you want to be on a very safer side, you want to wait for the market to just go below this low where we have this wicks and close below it. Once it closes below it, you look for an entry, then you enter the trade, and your stop loss should be just above that same black line, guys. You see that the market is going to sell nicely. The market is going to sell nicely, and you make some profit. It's a very simple approach to trading, guys. Very simple approach. If you want to focus on this strategy, you will make so much profit. It's just to always wait for the market to give you the opportunity. You don't be in a hurry. At least once in a week, each pair provides this opportunity. At least once in a week, each pair. Let me just not say each pair. At least 3 pairs will give you this opportunity. And trust me that once the market gives you this opportunity, an opportunity to enter the trade, you can make some massive profits if you can just be patient enough to wait for this opportunity to happen. So if you see on the daily time frame, you can see from here, you can see the market has a long way to go. When it wants to sell, we are expecting the sales to get up to this level here, level here, and this is massive profit, guys. It's massive profit. So even if I would want to enter this trade, let's say this with the minimum losses of 0.5, let's say I enter the trade somewhere here, and I'm taking my profit around this point, guys. This is $28 with the minimum lot size. Then imagine you open multiple positions with this. You can make so much profit, guys. You can make so much profit. All right, so Just follow this approach and you will understand. You will see how the profit will be coming in on a regular basis, guys. And also there's another thing you need to understand, guys. I talked about trend lines. I did not want to make this video too long, but let me just quickly show you something, guys. Drawing trend lines can be a bit tricky sometimes, and if you do not understand these things, to make you not know where the market will want to possibly react. Now let me show you something, guys. Let me show you something. Now if the market creates, like what here, you can see what I'm doing right now. You can see what I'm doing right now, guys. See what I'm doing now. See what I'm doing. All right. Now you can see that market bought from this line before, bought again, then broke through it, came back, retest, then continued its move till it bought again up to this place, then it sold again at this point, then it has broken above this line. Then I am still expecting the market to do what? Sell again below this line, then retest again to continue selling to the downside. Guys, this way of drawing trend lines is, I think they call it internal trend stuff or whatever, but it works so well. Let me show you another one. Perhaps you do not understand this one. Let me show you another one. I'm supposed to create a separate video just for this, so you will really learn and understand. There's another one right here. There's another one right here. Okay. You look out for the lows, the current lows the market has created, and you join trend lines. The current lows the market has created. I need to take time to do another video to explain these things, guys. Look at another one here. There's another one here. All right. So, and mind you, this is on the daily time frame. This thing is even also available even on the 4-hourly time frame. You find it on the 1-hourly time frame. You can see all this. You can see. So once the market gets to these zones or gets to this line or anywhere very close to this line, because there are times the market will not touch this line depending on the structure the market is cutting across. If the market is cutting across a structure that the market has to react from the structure, not actually the line, it may never get in contact with the line. So all you need to do is to watch out for another structure the market will want to create on a lower time frame. If the market creates another structure on a lower time frame that indicates it's actually going to reverse, then you know the market is actually ready to reverse on getting to this trend line. Then you enter a trade just like this, massive sales. All right. Even with this, if you go to a lower time frame, you'll find that there's a setup that indicates buys, and market bought from here nicely. All right. So I will just I think there's another one I saw here. Let me just put this trend line here. All right, so you can see another one here, just like this. You just look for the lows to join and let the market cut across it. Once the market gets back to that line, watch out for the reaction of the market on that. Once it gets to the line on a lower time frame, you can do this to find bullish trade setups and also bearish trade setups. It works so well. All right, so I will do more videos on this to show you how you can use these opportunities or these trend line strategies to actually determine the direction of the market and make some good profit. All right, it's a very simple thing to do. So I don't want to make this video longer than it is. So for now, guys, stay blessed and don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you think I should the next video you think I should create for you guys. Then if you do not have a derivative account, I think there is a link here in the description of this video that you can use to create a derivative account. And also there's a link in this in the description again that takes you to my YouTube channel. Go there because my free training is coming up very soon. When you go to the Telegram channel, I'll update the information there. You'll find the information there so that you do not miss out on this free training opportunity. All right, guys. So stay blessed. Peace out.